What up, you guys? Gonna do an unboxing of the OtO Smart Lawn Sprinkler. Just picked it up. Super excited to get this thing going. So here's the front. Looks like this picture. Side. Other side. Top handle. Back. Has some verbiage. Welcome to the new era of lawn care. Alright. Welcome to the OtO family. Let's grow together. Alright, let's unbox this thing. I'm going to leave a link in the description, so if you're interested in picking this up, and if you use my code, you get $25 off, which is really awesome. Right now they're having a sale 15% off, so it's like $3.99, but then an extra $25, so it's like $3.75 if you use my link. So. Alright, first thing we have, looks like it has instruction manual and some accessories. Let's take a look at the manual. Oh, this is really nice. It's not paper. It's kind of like a vinyl. Contents and steps 1 through 6. This is really nice. Next we have accessories. Let's pull this out. Pops that off. There we go. I'm just going to hold everything. Accessories. Looks like we've got the screws and everything to connect it to the base. Nice. Right. Next we have the OtO lawn sprinkler itself. Let's pull that out. There we go. OtO. Pretty nice. And then lastly inside here we have the base or the stand. If you want to post it to a fence or anything, or just into the ground. And that's everything in the box. So, yeah, accessories, instruction manual, OtO lawn sprinkler, smart lawn sprinkler, and the stand or base. And that's everything in the box. If you guys are interested in picking this up, remember, links in the description so you can buy it, and you can use my code as well to get $25 off. Thanks, you guys. Super excited to try this out.